Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to draw some advanced shapes together. Are you ready to get creative? Let's dive right in. Our first shape is the heart. It's a symbol of love and affection. We can see them in a Valentine's Day card and heart-shaped balloons. Now, let's move on to the star. Watch carefully as we create a stunning star. We can see this shape in the night sky as stars and star-shaped festive cookies. Next is a dazzling diamond. It's a shape with sharp angles. We can see them in kites and a deck of playing. Our next shape is the crescent. It's a curved shape that resembles the moon's phase. The moon in the night sky often appears in a crescent shape. We can also see them as crescent rolls pastry. Last but not least, the pentagon. It has 5 sides. We can see this shape in road signs and sides of a soccer ball. Wow, we've learned to draw some fantastic advanced shapes today. Heart, star, diamond, crescent, and pentagon. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and have fun with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting art lessons. See you next time, my little artists.